In a factory, a machine that sounds slightly off can signal an impending breakdown. Predictive maintenance uses AI to catch those signals early. By feeding sensor data, vibration, temperature, pressure, into machine learning models, the system learns normal operating patterns. When anomalies appear, it flags them for inspection, often weeks before a failure would occur. This isn't just about fixing parts before they break. It's about reducing unplanned downtime, which can cost manufacturers hundreds of thousands of dollars per hour. The AI doesn't replace human judgment, it augments it. Maintenance teams get prioritized alerts, so they focus on what matters. Some systems even simulate wear over time, creating a digital twin of the machine to run virtual stress tests. The result is longer equipment life, fewer disruptions, and more predictable production schedules. The takeaway: predictive maintenance turns reactive guesswork into